Welcome to Jumbo Quiz. Today, we have amazing fun challenge for you. Would you rather build your dream luxury bedroom with epic fun choices? But before we get started, like this video and hit the subscribe button for more fun challenges. Ready? Let's dive in. First question. Which bedroom would you love to relax in every night? Now, picture the floor under your feet. Do you step onto a glowing galaxy, a sandy beach, or an emerald path? Time for your bedside table. Which one grabs your attention first? What about the lamp? Would you pick a panda lamp, unicorn lamp, or Tweety lamp? After that, imagine your sofa. From movie nights to lazy Sundays, which one feels like home to you? What about the bunk bed? Which one is your pick? Even toilets can be fun. Which one are you choosing, the first, the second, or the third? And now, pick a toilet paper holder. Which one would you go for? Here's today's challenge. Share your country, your favorite color, and your birthday month in the comments. Let's move on. Choose your dream glass window. Now it's time to pick a kitchen. Which one is yours? How about something sweet? Choose the cupcake that steals your heart. Next choice. Which bookshelf belongs in your dream space? Now for some fun. Would you choose a Peppa Pig toy, a Sonic toy, or the Pikachu toy? Pick your living room. Will you go for SpongeBob's Paradise, Hello Kitty's Heaven, or Stitch Bold Style? Next, choose your massage chair, where you relax in. It's summertime. Which water park would you dive into first? Challenge for Pikachu fans. Can you land burger in a right spot so Pikachu enjoy it? How many attempts it takes? Comment down below. Now time to choose your inflatable float. Now it's time to pick your headphones. Which pair is calling your name? What about a sparkling pet? Left, middle, or right? Would you rather ride a Mario train, a Yoshi train, or a bright Mickey Mouse train? Let's keep going. Pick your favorite piano design. Next up, choose your dream garden. Let's dive into pool. Which pool you want in your backyard? Which chandelier takes your breath away? 1, 2, or 3? Quick task. Like this video, comment your name, and hit the subscribe button for more fun challenges. Now pick a chair for your space. What is your choice? Would you relax in a blue, pink, or green jacuzzi? Choose a soap dispenser. Which one would you pick? Here comes a big decision. Your dream pet. Make your choice now. And what about your pet's relaxing space? Which one would you go for? Now choose your gaming chair. Pikachu, Peppa Pig, or Sonic style. What about the game that defines your vibe? Minecraft, Roblox, or Among Us? Next, choose your retreat house. It's time to pick your window view. Which one you want to see every morning? Now pick the comfiest lounger for your space. What about a beautiful flower pot? Which one you want in your home? How about a coffee maker? 1, 2, or the third option? Quick challenge. A different Mario is hiding among all this Mario emojis. Can you find it? Time's up. The different Mario is hiding right here. Choose your mug. Which one feels right for you? Let's keep going. Pick the best color for your roller skates. And what about your dream villa? Where you want to live? Which doorbell makes you smile the most? Now choose your kettle. Next, pick a phone. Would you go with Stitch, Yoshi, or Pikachu? Now let's pick a phone cover for your phone. Which design you like the most? This time it's a pick a wall clock. Which design suits your house style best? Let's pick your wardrobe, where you store all your cloths. Step outside. Which outdoor vibe is perfect for you? Now let's pick your handbag. Which one matches with your style best? Let's pick your cozy fireplace. Which one gives you comfy vibes? What about a motorbike? Which one is calling your name? Let's pick your tent, where you want to live. Now choose your game controller. Final choice? Pick your tissue box. Which one is your choice? That was amazing dream luxury bedroom adventure. You crushed it. But hey, why stop now? Your next adventure is just a click away. Tap on the next video on your screen and let's keep the fun going. See you there.